Coming here straight away is riding the high. Ride the high of the gold medal. A proud moment to know that we did it. A whole squad of 20, our management team, it's been a long 10 months, but look, it's worth it. It's worth it. Coming here straight away is riding the high. Ride the high of the gold medal, ride the high of making my, not just NRLW debut, but my league debut. Never played a game in my life.
Roll the ball at the moment, the Titans. The fullback. Stacey Waaka's through. Waaka tries to get around Polite, does so. Beats another one, beats Gray. She's got 3 times.
They haven't had the greatest starts of the season, so we're just trying to build from here.
Play on here for Brisbane. Brigginshaw kicking on the last. Waaka, great take, try. That's class.
Maybe come over a new challenge, a new sport.
In their lead.
Stop it. That was brilliant. Stacey Waaka.
Just a refresher of life, to be honest. Something that I don't know. I'm just chucked in the deep end here.
It's really ridiculous because you haven't missed a beat. We've loved watching you. We've talked about you a lot on the couch so far. And on the weekend, you go up to Newcastle to play a team that Brisbane haven't beaten in a while, and you knock the premiers off. Even you yourself have highlighted on social.
Honestly, seeing the other girls come over here and thrive, holy, it's been so cool watching them.
And some space for New Zealand wide here. Flula, oh, what a show! And a go from Flula. Holmes in the middle. Holmes looking for support, taking on Kildun. Back to Flula. New Zealand strike from the ends of the world. What a try to start the second half.
I got goosebumps walking out, obviously leading the haka and singing that national anthem. It was just a proud moment, you know. Everyone here supporting is the reason why we do what we do, and they came out to do that for us. Everyone stayed behind for the medal ceremony to get signatures and photos. Makes my heart sing. The whole whānau of Rangatahi was there. All my family, all my nephews and nieces, and just so many people, young girls and boys who want to play rugby. How good! Cheer, whānau.